Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, make me ask you something. You ever see people argue it and them a go quote with their arguments? And wonder if they don't realize, say, if they try to settle their argument outside a court, things would have easier for them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 57 to verse 59. What make you not judge for yourself were right? Anytime you go quote with somebody, try settle an argument on the way. Or this somebody might have drag you in front of the judge and the judge hand you over to the police and the police go lock you up in a prison. Me tell you this, you never can come out till you pay up every last cent. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.